Good afternoon, everybody, and by everybody, I basically mean Chris, Lemonlust, and Dark Bro. Oh, J-Bone's out there too. Chris, so what's going on, guys? We've got Chris first in the chat. Lemonlust, Chris. We got Dark Bro, Lemonlust, J-Bones, baby, and Kristen, Lemonlust. All you guys, glad to have you in here right now. We're gonna jump in and check the market out right now. And J-Bones, man, I don't know if you see it. Boom, it's on the way. Me and J-Bones about to be twins. It's on the way, J-Bones. It is... Well, it got shoved into a priority mail flat rate envelope because that was cheaper than sending it, I don't know, whatever other way there was. So I did shove it into a flat rate envelope. It's like vacuum sealed. You're going to have to probably get some of the wrinkles out when it gets there. But it is on the way, man. You and Mo. Let's check the market out here. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing the day at 405. Basically sideways action all day today. Look at this, man, bouncing back and forth between 403 and 404. Jumps up to 405 to close, and currently sitting at 404 and a half, basically right at there, break even. Shiba Inu coin, 765 points per coin, down 2.80% of the day today. GameStop, 2303, down almost 3% on the day. Bitcoin sitting at 30,286, coming back from where it was, dropping down earlier, right back at these levels, 30,200. Did not fall through that support, but certainly not looking good at the moment on a daily where we could see that it may be curling back over. You guys can see this may be curling back over to come back down and test these lower levels. We got to watch out. We got 3 purple days in a row. We're going to see how today ends. Most likely going to end purple there. So keep our eyes on Bitcoin. The Nasdaq actually getting hit pretty hard today. The Nasdaq down to 13,335 points for a 1.16% loss. Pretty heavy loss on the overall index. GameStop 2303, Dogecoin 6.5 cents, Ethereum 1855, Shiba Inu coin 764. We got Bitcoin sitting at 30,266. Molinado touching 18 cents earlier today, bouncing back down a little bit, to close the day at 2.18% higher. Well, at 17.33. Had a nice little rally from the 17-cent area all the way up to 20 cents. Was unable to sustain that move. Molinado cannot hold a gain, guys. If you're able to jump in on some price action like this, keep it a trade, all right? Unless you plan on holding Molinado for a very, very long time, you're going to be better off taking advantage of these little swings here and Mullen gaining and coming right back down for a 2% daily gain. Sundial finishing the day at $1.29, up 320, almost 420, almost got him. SPY sitting at 433.44 or 431.44 at the close. BBIG at $1.26. It is coming down and touching all-time lows, guys. Highcroft Mining, 31 cents, up 4% after hours, but probably, on no volume. Netflix sitting at $415.94, down almost 2% on the day today. Hard day for Netflix. 357.68 on the QQQ. Ape sitting at $1.79.5. MPW, $9 per share. Tesla, $240, losing 6% of the day today. Innovix, $13.12, curling over. PID, $17.71, and Joby finishing the day at $6.35. Not sure if you guys can hear the rain, but man, it just kicked up. Let's see who we got. I've been in the Twitter space about the repeg. I had to take a breather. The bank run on the community pool today is friggin' bonkers. I am telling you. Kristen, I need to go for a bank run on this community pool as well. Seems like it's going to be dried up here pretty soon. Going for like 3 billion Terra Luna Classic out there. We might as well see if we can get our hands on some of it as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? Just like I think a $20,000 per month marketing proposal for Terra Luna Classic, that'll probably do it. Because you guys know, let's count the live streams, right? That's at least 2 hours a day. And then you've got the videos. Those videos take at least an hour of prep and then recording. And you've got descriptions and all of that stuff. So, dude, let's say we got 5-6 hours a day, 7 days a week, dedicated to Terra Luna Classic. I think we can break that proposal down, that if these guys are out there making $12,000 to work part-time as developers, well, shoot, we could go $20,000 full. We could go $20,000 full-time as marketers, right? Of course, I am just kidding, but I would do it if I would do it if I got a proposal out there. Yeah, dude, there's a huge cash grab going on with the Terra Luna Classic community pool right now. Nice, bro. Thank you. J-Bones! Absolutely, man. Thank you for having that green name for stinking 2 years, man. Rolling on it. One of the most active members out there. J-Bones, appreciate you very much, man. Let's see. What was up with the crazy Lunk pump earlier? You know what? I didn't look into it too well. Let's see what it looks like right now and where we're at, because I'm going to be honest, I wasn't paying too much attention to it and do not know what would have caused it. How high and how bad did it pump here? Let's see what we got. You know what? I'm not too concerned about that pump right there. So if you go out to CoinMarketCap, you can see the Terra Luna Classic did pump up from about 9,200 to 9,400 points per coin. That's not a drastic increase. It was maybe, what, a 3% pump in Terra Luna Classic. I don't know if that's simply breaking out of this little area right in here that would have been some daily resistance and just jumping up a little bit. You know, we've seen some spikes like this. It's been a very choppy week with some major increases followed by some major declines with consolidation in the area that we're currently in. So I don't know if I'd pay too much attention to that Terra Luna Classic pump that happened earlier. To me, it just looks like the volatility that we've been experiencing this week. As you can see on the 7-day chart here, it's full of ups and downs and almost looks like a saw or the teeth on a comb or something. It's just been jumping up, jumping back down, jumping up, jumping back down, and I wouldn't pay too much attention to the little pump that we had earlier today, and then of course that dump off to bring us back down to about 920 points or 9,200 points per coin. See my comment on the last Lunk video. It wasn't about Lunk, it was about Voyager. Window opened, withdrawal window open, but since they reduced the value of my coins, then converted to USDC, it made it $4 with a draw. Oh my gosh, withdrawal fee $5. Yeah, Matthew, I actually did not see the comment that you would have posted on that video there. But, yeah, dude, I completely get it, man. I think it's a huge scam the way that Voyager is handling this bankruptcy, all right? It's not the amount of coins that you held that you get back. It's the amount or the value of those coins in, like, June of 2022, and you're only getting 35% back. Of course, if those coins are not supported, they're converting it to USDC for you and then allowing you to withdraw from there. Yes, there is a $5 withdrawal fee. The withdrawals, however, I do not know how long they're going to take. So I did a test withdrawal over the weekend, and it is still pending. I mean, I'm sitting here wondering how long I'm going to have to wait before I even see the confirmation that this withdrawal went through, and then start to withdraw for the rest of my crypto. So I am not liking Voyager right now. Is just dumb. Hey, cutting around a pond. It smells like a fart. Luckily, the wind is going, so the smell comes and goes. Yes, Chris, that is very good news. You do not want to be sitting there and smelling the pond all day long if you're cutting around. The good news is ponds are nice to look at. Sometimes the bad news is these ponds don't necessarily, they're not appealing to the nose. So, yeah, Chris, man, get it done. Hold your breath when you're downwind and breathe in the fresh air when you're upwind. You're going to be doing good there. I have to say that I'm just about over giving the layer one $100,000 a pop. I'd like to see that money go towards something that could lead to some positive price action for the chain. Kristen, I agree with you. And, dude, they act like it's nothing. You know, they act like they're just these rich developers out there who laugh at the salaries they're making developing for Terra Luna Classic part-time. Dude, I don't even know if all of these people are different people. You know what I mean? Like, nobody, and I'm not one that says you need to dox yourself in terms of, like, giving everybody on the internet your full name, address, social security, all of that stuff. I am against that to some regard. But, dude, when we're paying guys with the name like Mango Chutney and, I don't know, Bilbo Baggins, paying them $150,000 a year to develop with no audit of their work. It's very strange to me, but you're right. $100,000 to currently $116,000 per quarter. Like, we don't care what we're spending on. We don't care that we're writing a $100,000 check because it's not your money, and it's very easy to spend money when it's not yours. Let's see. AREB, Trump-supported company, will have a reverse split tomorrow. The float will now only be 600,000, which is nothing. This could skyrocket. Please update. He has risen. AREB, let's check it out. Please, thank you very much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you, Dark Bro, man. Happy birthday from D's. Happy birthday to Dark Bro. D's, man, absolutely appreciate that super chat there. And a wonderful birthday wish all day long today to Dark Bro. AREB, we're going to pull it up. Clay, do you see another run of Pepe? Are there any word of utility yet? No, Nick, I have no word of utility on Pepe. We talked about it a little bit earlier, but yes, I do think that Pepe could run simply because it's one of the most watched and one of the most traded coins out there right now. It is... what did it do? It did like $300 or $400 million in volume. I think it was like $400 million in volume today. It reached $800 million in volume a couple of days ago when it ran from 80 points per coin to 160 points per coin. So the fact that it's still got so much attention on it, yes, it could run. It's very possible that a little bit of a rally sparks a lot of a bit of a rally. I mean, that's kind of a, I don't know, childish way of putting it. But because so many people are looking at it, dude, they'll FOMO in if it begins to run. We need a maintenance team with a reasonable salary. Mango Chutney is looped out. A lot of these people are looped out. Oh, God, man. It is. Listen, it is interesting. That would be like me somehow having a good rapport with the Terra Luna Classic community, which I hope that I do. Okay, I know you guys know that I can't develop and all of that stuff, right? But I do hope that I have at least a good rapport with the Terra Luna Classic community. It would be like me coming in and somehow hitching a $10,000 a month salary out of this community pool. Now, I don't even think that's a good idea. I'm going to do these videos anyway, but if somebody's going to pay me 10 grand a month to do what I'm going to do anyway, I'm going to take that 10 grand a month to do what I'm going to continue doing anyway. So if I did, all of a sudden, then I say, oh, well, you know what? Chris, man. Chris is a good guy. Let's get him in here somewhere. Chris is my thumbnail expert. So Chris is my all of a sudden, Chris is a thumbnail expert. We need to hit him part-time for 5 grand a month. You know what, Kristen? She's my a publicist. Kristen's my publicist. So you know what we got to do? We got to get Kristen in here, and Kristen's got to do publicity, right? So 5 grand a month part-time. Dark Bro, dude, Dark Bro. We got somebody running security, man. We need somebody running security over here. Dark Bro, dude, security, 4 grand a month. Let's hit him up. All of a sudden, you know, you start to bring all your friends in. And just the way the current layer 1 team is wanting to do with a layer 2 team that would work on this wallet. It's a lot of money, but there's something when you don't spend your own money, man. When you're just writing checks with somebody else's account like the community's doing right now. It's easy to spend. All right, so somebody brought up AREB, American Rebel, hotels? I know nothing about this company, all right? They say it is somehow associated with Trump. I do not know if that is true or not. What I do know is this company over the last couple of years has gone from $200 a share, $100 a share, all the way down to 5 cents a share and back up to 18 cents a share. So there's been some wild volatility in this company. Let's look at the financials. They're currently making, they have $4 million a quarter revenue, which is not bad, but they're losing 36 cents a share, which is bad. The current market cap is only $3 million. Not bad at all, considering they're bringing in $4 million over the last quarter. Now, that's a pretty heavy revenue, and I don't know why it increased that much, because previous to that, 300,000, 100,000, 100,000, 200,000. So it is probably a pretty small hotel. This doesn't seem like it is a chain of hotels. Operates primarily as a designer and marketer of branded safes and personal security and defense products. Okay, so these guys, American Rebel brand, not American Rebel Hotels. I don't know about holdings, American Rebel Holdings, so that was obviously wrong. Not hotel, holdings. Company designed and produces branded apparel and accessories, including concealment pockets. It offers an assortment of personal security products as well as apparel and accessories for men and women under the company American Rebel brand. Okay, so we've basically got some guys that are probably, you know, your more conservative guys out there wearing American Rebels brand and trying to associate themselves with Donald Trump as a conservative and so on. I do not know why. Somebody, and maybe Trump did. Maybe Trump did shout him out or something. And that might be why they jumped from $300,000 to $4 million in sales over the last quarter. So whoever brought that up, you could absolutely be right on that. But I don't know if Donald Trump is necessarily associated with this any more than potentially giving them an endorsement or something like that. So yes, 13 cents to 18 cents, great day today, but I do not know if this rally can be sustained. So I got my concerns about a company that's only doing, you know, a couple $100,000 in sales, and then it 10x's to $4 million in sales. Sad. Cosmo Rex was working on initiatives for the chain, and he tweeted that he was done because there wasn't going to be enough money in the pool left for said initiatives. Yeah, Kristen, here's the thing with that, though. Okay, I get it. I read like a lot of his tweets. I constantly see him on Twitter and all of that. But that's the problem. The current producers or the current developers or the current, I guess, working or people that are working to develop for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, every single one of them is going to give up when they run out of that community pool funding. Every single one of them is going to turn their backs on the Terra Luna Classic community faster than they ever would before as soon as that paycheck dries up. Which shows you it is not about rebuilding Terra Luna Classic. It is about receiving a paycheck from Terra Luna Classic. I am telling you, you do not start a business and receive a paycheck. You do not start a business and guarantee yourself income. If you are starting, you need to hustle. And that is the way we need to look at Terra Luna Classic right now. These guys are not cut out for the game. They might be developers, man. They might be very smart, but they're not entrepreneurs. They're guys that work for paychecks. And that might sound very mean. It might sound harsh, but it's the truth. As soon as that paycheck dries up, they will abandon you faster than you ever thought possible. Let's see. Thanks, D's, bro. Oh, yeah. I think I'll be a Link developer right now. I am a disabled stoner, so should be fully qualified. Kombu, let's go, man. At least $500 a month for everybody. You get a car, you get a car, you get a car, you get a car. Goodbye. On and off ramps, liquid staking, etc. Yeah, you know what? He could still do it. He doesn't. If he's been working this long without a major paycheck, he can continue working without a major paycheck. I'm telling you. People can delegate to him, people can donate to him, people can do all this stuff. Everybody's vying for that paycheck because they see that community pool disappearing. Hello from Texas. What's going on, Joe Anthony? How are you? All the way from Ohio. Give me 150,000. I'll be burning every day. Burning the coins every day, right? That's what you mean? Burning the coins. I agree, Chris. Hence, funding initiatives to grow the chain and bring in more investors. Everybody likes, we got tons of the supply of stake. Staking is not utility. It is not utility. It's leaving the chain stagnant. No, staking is not utility. So staking may be an indicator of confidence in the long-term success of a project, but it is not a utility. All right, just by locking your coins up is not a utility. Heck yeah, bro. But there's one thing I can actually do. Security. There you go, man. Dark bro, we got you. $4 a month. I'm going to go for that paycheck for you. No, I have seen a few people said that they were building coins, and I have questions. As you should, man. Everybody should always have questions. Question anybody that says you can't have questions. All right? And I saw one of the most, this is not just like a dig at Shiba Inu coin right now, but it kind of is a dig at Shiba Inu coin because of the opportunity right here. But I saw Satoshi, right, promoting Susparium or whatever, some new Twitter account that is supposed to be, I don't know, exposing all of the scams in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem, or not in the ecosystem, but like trying to say they're a part of the ecosystem and stuff. Well, right there, man, on Susparium's first tweet or pin tweet or whatever it is, you know, talking about projects that are not transparent and do not state their intentions or something like that, are most likely a scam. Shiba Inu coin is the least transparent coin that I have ever even seen. I would rather have no information than riddles and poetry. And, you know, the riddles and poetry almost like dangle a carrot in front of you. That is extremely just not transparent. It's extremely vague and kind of leading. Dude, by Susparium's own definition, Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team would be a scam. So I gotta get a technical analysis XRP chart. Yes, might have to sell more to keep food on the table. Kombu right now. Technical analysis of the day. If you have to sell more to keep food on the table, sell more right now to keep food on the table. I don't care if it's about to rocket, man. I don't care if it's about to break out. Dude, never stretch yourself so thin that you gotta worry about putting food on the table or holding a cryptocurrency. Dude, never make that decision, man. Never buy a coin instead of buying food. Please. But yes, let's look at XRP real quick. XRP. XRP currently sitting at 48 cents per coin. Over the last 7 days, basically double bottoming down here at this 47, 48 cent mark. Coming over the last month, also hitting a pretty strong level of support right here. Over the last year, okay, we can see that this area is pretty decent. You've got a stronger level of support at 45 to 46 cents, right? You can see it here, 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 here. It would be, okay, a decent idea if you're going to sell, a decent idea to sell as it falls through that support. Now, of course, only hitting support at a 2 cent decline, 3 cent decline, it's only got another 5 to 6% lower that it could fall before it hits a decent level of support. But beyond that, you're talking 40 cents, and then we're back down in the mid-30s again. So if you're looking at selling, just know that we are approaching that level of support at 48, 47 cents there. So you may see a bounce. If you sell today, you may see a bounce back up to 50 cents or so on. But once again, if it bounces to 50 cents, dude, and you know you're not leveraged, that's a 5% gain from where we are right now. Another 2 cents. So I don't think either way, like if you miss out on a little bit of a rally back up to 50 cents, I don't think you're going to be terribly concerned about the 5% that you just missed out on. If, of course, it falls through this support and you're touching 45, 46 cents, I also don't think you're going to be very upset about or very happy about, you know, conserving that extra 5%, or even if you hold on to it, losing that 5%. So right now at support, next support level, 5% lower. Next resistance level, about 5% higher. You're right there in the middle of no man's land, sitting on support. Hopefully it does bounce. But, dude, if you got to sell it, man, sell it. No, never, never, never. None of you guys worry about eating or having a cryptocurrency. All right, what do we get? Well, 5 things counting the web page. Something, Kenneth, I might have missed something on there. 5 things counting the web page? Yes. I haven't had any fiat in over a year. I haven't added any fiat in over a year. These are the last of my holdings. There you go. Hey, Kombu, man. That's great, though. If you haven't added any, you've been doing very well. And I know those meme coins treated you pretty good, man. Hey, everybody. Sorry I'm late. Neighbor had a plumbing emergency. What's going on, Tim? Glad to have you in here. And hopefully you guys got that plumbing emergency fixed. Was it a drain pipe? Was it a leaky faucet? What was happening there? I need my MacBook back. This is costing me money not having it. Yes, Dark Bro, I would say you do need it back. If it's costing you money, that is not good. Where's Farmy? Oh, Tim, man. Farmy is just living the dream. I actually have no idea where Farmy's at, dude. Let's see where Farmy's at today, because I did not look at it once. 42 cents per share. 42 cents. Watch out, man. Farmy falling through this pretty strong level of support at 43 cents. The daily looks like it's ticking back down, closer to that 39 cent. Major last line in the sand level of support. How far out we got to drag this just so we get a decent daily graph, because, of course, it's fallen so much over the last year. So Farmy falling through this pretty strong level of support, on its way back down to test 39.40 cents a share. Watch out, dude. Another 5% decline. Boom. Takes you to the all-time low. And, of course, a triple. It'd be a quadruple. 1, 2, 3. A quadruple test of this all-time low could either result in a very nice bounce like we had back here at the beginning of 2023. Or, of course, if we fall through and there's no support holding us up, Farmy could fall all the way back down here. This little $10 million market cap crap company could turn into a $1 million market cap crap company. So yes, watch out for Farmy, man. Kenneth, yeah, I need to get another MacBook. That you do. You still need a laptop, Kenneth. Yes, he needs to get another MacBook for sure. In the basement, Mr. Irwin is 95. Couldn't leave him in a poopy basement. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, man, crap in a basement is never a good thing. Oh boy. Was it septic backing up, or you guys got like you got sewer out there? Or was it septic or what? Because that's a bad situation. It's a bad situation either way, man. 95 years old, too. Dude, I still hope I'm good to go like the rest of my life, man. But 95, dude, you got to watch out for the 95-year-olds. They're going to need some help. That's very old, man. That's very old. Hopefully he's got some family, too. Because that's what I ran my business on. There you go, Dark Bro. Yes, you do need another one. Tim's your uncle. Tim's your uncle? Well, that's good, because uncles help out their nephews. D's, he's my internet uncle. I like it. I have 3 laptops out of my garage I'm not using, but I will have to reformat them. Well, Kenneth, man. Kenneth, Dark Bro, Kenneth. You guys check each other out. I'm going to buy Farmy. Not shares, the whole freaking company. I'm telling you, dude, if it drops down to a $1 million market cap, you would need to register and fill out special paperwork to buy $100,000 worth of the company if it falls down that low. You need special permission to be a 10+% shareholder in any company, and Farmy falling down is going to cause a lot of problems for a lot of people because it is a very cheap company. And what do they claim? This is the part that I don't know about. What do they claim they are making in terms of revenue? No data here. No data on that one. 2021 is the last time they filed an earnings report here. That's pretty sketchy. They claim that they are making 58 cents a share in profit. Oh, boy. And that their last revenue was $40 million a year. And that they have grown their revenue nicely over the last 5 years. I would like to look at those books. I would like to look at those books and see if Farmy is a little liar or if they truly are making money. And I'd imagine they diluted shares up here at $1, bringing it back down to 40 cents, but I'm not sure if this was dilution or not. Hopefully, if it was, they have no more opportunity to dilute shareholders, and that is the last round of that. Clay, how much water do you drink? Been on it for like a month. Right now, I'm a little over a half a gallon. You know what, Chris? I actually do not know how much water I drink per day. I will say this. I constantly have a glass or bottle, as you guys see in here, basically in my hand. So I've either got water or, I don't know, a lot of times like, you know, it's ice, the ice brand water that you can get from like Walmart. You know, flavored, not sparkling water or whatever, but the carbonated water, the flavored water, either that or actual water in my hand. So I do not track it. It's not like I'm sitting here trying to drink a gallon a day or trying to drink 8 cups or measuring anything, but I do constantly have a glass of water, either flavored water or actual water, in my hand, and that reminds me to take a sip right now. I'm going to consider it authorized hydration. Thank you very much, Chris, for reminding me to take another sip of water and authorizing it yourself. What happened to Mirror Protocol today? Anybody know some news? Tony, I got nothing in terms of news, man. Dude, Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dip right there, but Shiba Inu coin seems to be overreacting to that dip. Shib coming down, some pretty heavy candles, and Bitcoin only posting two purple candles, and now it's posting greens, man, but it seems to be getting hit hard. Let's see. Space was over. What a disappointment. Darn it, Kristen. I'm telling you. Kenneth, are they MacBooks? Because the programs I use only run on Mac. Lenovo i7 systems. Lenovo would not be an Apple. It's septic, but the plumbing is so old. The house was built in 1873. Goodness knows when they added the indoor plumbing, just an old cast iron pipe that failed. Dang, dude. Think about how old a cast iron pipe has to be to just, like, crack or, crumble. Dude, that house is old, Tim. 1873, man. My goodness. Dark Bro, is it your birthday today? Yes, it is, Tim. Yes, it is. And that reminds me to sing a beautiful happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you, Dark Bro. It's your birthday all day today, man. Absolutely enjoy it. Gonna have to check something out to see, but I'll message you if it'll work. Very nice, Dark Bro. I like it. Guys, a little bit of a recap. What's going on? AMC doing absolutely nothing after hours right now. Sitting at 405, just barcoding the same way that it did all day today. This is not the type of action that you would expect to see on AMC. Remember, it is the MOAS. It is the mother of all short squeezes. And here we are sitting at 403 after hours, 405 after hours, sorry. After a 403 close and literally barcoding on 114 share minutes, 68 share minutes. It is crazy to see the volume this low on AMC. Shiba Inu coin kind of stair-stepping its way back down, going from 766 to 761. Not a big move at all on Shiba Inu coin, but still sitting right here, 3.3% lower on the day. GameStop, 23.02 at the close, 23.07 after hours, no volume there. We got 9 shares this minute, 14 shares, 0 shares, 34, 3 shares, 0 shares. GameStop kind of missing out there. And then Bitcoin sitting at $30,206.13. $206.95. Decision 207.80 right now. Down 1% on the day today. So market having a pretty difficult day today. Hopefully the overall stock market gets a decent bounce tomorrow, but we may be headed for this level of support before we do bounce back off and go higher. So you got to keep your eyes on that. But as you can see, if you're trying to put an ascending trend line on there, you can begin to connect these higher lows that we've been hitting. And these higher lows are looking pretty good there if you come out to the more recent levels that have been started since the beginning of May. So over the last 2 months, this would be the level that we bounce off right here if this trend that started 2 months ago is able to proceed there. We got Timmy! Thank you very much for Dark Bro. We got a little happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much, Tim, and thank you very much for being born today, Dark Bro. Appreciate the birthday, man, and I do hope you're having a great day so far today. Tim, thank you very much. Deez, appreciate the super chat. Says, drink, Clay, bro. Authorized hydration. Don't mind if I do, Deez. It's good, man. It's good. I know you guys are going to... There's barely anything left in there. I know you guys are going to finish that one off today. Thank you very much, Deez, for the authorized hydration, because it is, for some reason, a little bit warmer than normal in this room right now. I can tell. I had to take the hoodie off. It was not this warm this morning. And, yeah, you need some authorized hydration when it stays warm like this, because... I don't know, it just feels, it's a lot easier to stream when the temperature is comfortable than it is when you're sitting here getting ready to sweat and pass out because it's so warm in the room. Hello, fellow bros. What's going on? Next level. How you doing, man? Glad to have you. Ooh, you know what I didn't bring? Outdoor Smile. If you're in here right now, I have no idea why the first time that I went to the post office, the birthday present from Outdoor Smile was not in the P.O. box. Because it did say that the estimated delivery was about the time that I went to the post office and mailed everything out. So it was not in there that time. I don't know if it got lost in the mail or what the deal was. But if you guys didn't see the Discord, I posted the birthday present from Outdoor Smile in the Discord, and I absolutely love that coin, man. I got a silver coin commemorating the entire AMC and GameStop movement. It's got the Wall Street Bets guy on there. It's got AMC. It's got GameStop. It's got all of those other stocks that people were talking about squeezing, and it's extremely detailed. It came in a little case. It looks very sweet, so... Outdoor Smile, man, if you're listening right now, absolutely appreciate that. I love the coin, dude, and it means a lot. So thank you very much for the birthday gift. And yes, it did say that it was supposed to. I know it was not there the last time I went because I did check, but it's incredible. So thank you very much, Outdoor Smile, if you're in here right now. If not, I'm going to thank you again later. The only MOAS for AMC is Adam Aaron, taking MOAS from the retail. Yeah, dude, Adam Aaron did have the mother of all short squeezes. He made $1 billion for AMC. Okay, he diluted investors and raised over, I think it was like $2 billion actually. Like it was 1.6. I remember him quoting all the time. So let's just say 2. He raised $2 billion cash for AMC, ripping it out of the hands of the retail investors. And he made something to the tune of like $60-70 million for himself during the MOAS. Not because AMC was recovering as a company. Not because he was doing something great. Not because the stock price was rising. Because he sold every single one of his shares during the AMC movement. He sold what kind of CEO sells every single share that he owns? Come on, man. Yeah. So Adam Aaron did have a MOAS for himself. That's a fact. It's freaking hot here. 73 right now. Canadian's crazy poll. 73 is not hot. It's actually 75 and raining right now, so it's very muggy outside. But when it's cloudy outside, 75 doesn't feel nearly as warm as when it's 75 and sunny. 75 and sunny is a much different beast than 75 and cloudy. Kenny, we're cooling down quick. Looking like some big storms coming in. Yeah, dude, it was raining pretty heavy when I was going to the post office earlier today. Here, we use, what? Centigrados? What is that, Celsius, man? Is 32 degrees Celsius today. Lisbon, yeah, 32 degrees Celsius, man. I think that is, what, like 90 degrees? Where are you at? I'm pretty sure when you start to get in the 30s, you're closer to 90 degrees, which is very hot. So, Lisbon, I agree with you. That is very warm. Dumb Money looks so fun. Hey, Lemon Lust, Dumb Money does look like a very good movie. It does. My best hope, and I will see it, right? I don't know if I'll see it the day that it comes out or, when I'm going to see it, but I do want to watch that movie, and I hope that it sparks a little bit of a reminiscence amongst the OGs of what that movement really was. Because I'm telling you right now, I don't know if it was the moment that Trey did an interview with Adam Aaron or where people began to get lost. But, dude, this whole narrative of stopping Wall Street corruption through legalities and through laws and exposing everybody for what it really is, dude, it started as a way to screw the hedge funds by buying and holding a stock and forcing them to buy it back for prices that we would not let them have it for. That is a beautiful thing. And we really were owning the float. And then it turned into this entire idea. Let's save the company. Dude, the company could go down, but they still needed to buy the stock back if we would not sell it to them. And people lost that, man. So I really loved that movement for a long time. I hope that movie inspires some people to come back into the game and that we can make it happen. Or go for a round 2. Wouldn't you guys like a round 2? 2 years later, AMC starts running back up to $50, $60 a share again from where it's at right now because the movie comes out and inspires some people to get in. 87 is hot. Yeah, Kenneth, man. 87 is hot. 87's hot. 75 is warm. But like I say, we get some rain brewing out there, and when it's windy like that and it's cloudy, the 75 doesn't feel nearly as warm as it could. Libra, just see this sweet sell on Google Pansy. Oh, Google Pansy Melosi pulled right before they pulled some Google. Is a monopoly play. I did not, man. I did not. Let's see. I don't even know where Google's trading right now. But, man, I'm telling you, Pansy Melosi, ladies and gentlemen, Pansy Melosi never misses a trade. She is the, not GGOG. Come on. Oh, jeez, dude. This is, I don't know when they pulled it. If she sold right in here, man, from 129 down to 119. But Google curling back over and looking like it could break down through this 48 period moving average right here. So just watch out for that one. This 1348. This actually would have turned out pretty well for you. This 1348 would have got you in right. Would have got you in on this day right here. So after that nice rally, you would have bought into Google at about $100 a share. And of course, you rode it all the way up to $120 a share. So trading moving averages can work, but clearly it doesn't always work, right? If you would have got in on this day during the crossover right here, you know, you'd be getting in at $101 per share. And then when it crosses back over, you'd be getting out at $91 a share. So you've got to have your exit criteria set up. You can't just go in there and expect to buy every crossover and sell every crossover and profit that way. It would have been a nice setup. It still did rally. You did pretty well there, but you would have given those gains back up to the downside. This one, however, very nice cross to the downside. You would have sold GameStop or bought some puts. No, Google. Bought some puts with Google being at about $110 a share and came all the way down to 83. That's a very nice decline if you own some puts. But then it crossed back up above here at 101. So you would have given back all of that. You still made about $9 a share, but the opportunity arose down here before it started to spike back up. So 1348, that is Review Dork and Short the VIX. Those guys really liked that. I don't know if Masked Investor or does he go by something else now? I know he's TMI, but they used to really promote that. I don't know if they're still out there promoting that 1348 or not, but I just wanted to show you what those moving averages were that you were seeing there. Like button hit, Sean, man, good. Man, what's up with Shib? Satoshi is seriously starting to sound kind of funny to me. I mean, someone leaving and the things that he says. Can you propose you see it about burning? Sean, I don't know if I've seen the new proposal about burning Terra Luna Classic. I've been looking a lot at the spending proposals lately, so I don't know if I saw the one talking about burning or not. but you are right, man. Satoshi, look, I completely get it, right? I completely get it if he just wants to move on, right? If he just wants to move on and this part of his life is done. But dude, he's sailing off into the sunset at the most difficult time of a bear market, after creating and basically exploiting every Shiba Inu coin holder into buying his ecosystem tokens and projects that he has created. And he's just going to continue milking that from a distance when nobody ever knew who he was. And nobody will ever know who he is. And he is set for the rest of his life. So he's got a decision to make at that point. Do you go in and attach yourself like a barnacle to another cryptocurrency community? Or does he simply, come out on top and enjoy his Shiba exploits, let's call it that. Forget that movement. J-Bones, baby! It was still a nice one while it lasted. Round 2. So it can seriously get... No, man, that's the thing. If we wouldn't have let it happen the first time, he wouldn't be able to do it. But, of course, people shifted their sentiment the first time around, and they began to view Adam Aaron as some sort of a savior and some sort of a saint, and they put all of their trust in him, and we know how that happened. Let's see. I can't trade, always lose money. Bitcoin Cash is doing well. Yeah, Lisbon, here's the thing, man. Trading, I equate it to this. Trading is very difficult, okay? And there's a difference between trading and investing. If you are trading, it is very hard to go out, set up your entries, set up your exits, and have the discipline to do so. I liken it to shifting or switching lanes. So if you're driving you and I are both going to the same destination, okay? If I just get in the right lane and I move along safe, never really passing anybody, never really worrying about other people, stay in my lane and just continue to look forward, it's very, very safe for me to do so. And I will most likely arrive at the destination that I set out for. Now, if you're switching lanes and weaving in and out of traffic, we'll both agree that you can get to that destination faster than I could. I mean, it's almost inevitable. You're just going to go around one car and you can get there faster than I can. But if you're bouncing and bouncing and bouncing and bouncing between every car there is and weaving in and out, yeah, you're either going to get to that location faster than I do, much faster, or you could potentially get in a wreck. It becomes dangerous, but your profit becomes elevated. So trading is very difficult to do. It requires a lot of discipline, and it can be very fruitful. But investing, just buying and having a hold mentality, long-term strategy, you're guaranteeing yourself to arrive at that destination. So if trading doesn't work for you, man, do not give up and just leave the game. Investing is an absolute strategy as well. When is Claybro Coin going live? Kennedy's Crazy Pulls. That is the question that everybody wants answered, and I do not have the answer to it right now. Claybro's live right now. Kennedy, there you go. Lisbon, not Claybro Coin, but Claybro is. How's your Pepe and Doge bot? My Pepe bot is, I have not lowered my Doge from like that 6 to 8 cent range that I had, and I have not lowered my Pepe bot from the range that I had there. So neither one of them have made a trade in quite a while. They've both been sitting there with all of their buys having been bought up and sitting on the coins right now. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here right now. Even ChatGPT makes fun of me. Oh, Lisbon. I don't know. Is ChatGPT even allowed to make fun of people? I swear ChatGPT is like programmed against any sort of bullying. It's kind of weird that ChatGPT isn't allowed to think for itself, but it follows the thought process of those who programmed it completely. All right, so let's see. I want to see how many people we got in here right now because we only got 26. I feel like quality over quantity on this one. There better be 26 likes on this live stream right now. 19 likes, not bad. Somebody, one more person, click the like button and I won't hit you with an ad. If you don't click the like button, I'm going to hit you with an ad. I've been in a wreck. index funds. If you have time to wait, I'm old. I'm gonna drive fast and take my chances. There you go, Tim. And you know what, Tim? You're right, dude. You're right. If you do have the time, guys, to make a nice, decent average, and you know, I'm not saying 40 years. You don't need 40 years to go out there and make a lot of money in the stock market. But if you do have 40 years, you are clearly going to be patting yourself with much more opportunity. Otherwise, like Tim says, you've got to increase the risk. There's only 3 things that affect an investment: the time, the rate, and the initial or the amount invested. So you're either going to have to invest the principal, a large amount, you're going to have a very high rate, or you're going to have a lot of time. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji! We got the happy birthday to Dark Bro! Dark Bro, man, you got the happy birthday turkey, baby. Moji, thank you very much for that super chat. Guys, I'm telling you, it's not as easy to do as you think it is. If you think it's easy, you can try it right now. Moji, dude, thank you very much for that super chat. And a beautiful happy birthday turkey to Dark Bro right there. Happy birthday, Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you. And I need some authorized hydration after that turkey right there, so we're going to take it. Oh, yeah. Moji, man, thank you very much. And Moji, I don't know if you were in here earlier, but your shirt is officially on the way, man. So went to the post office in between the live streams today. You and J Bones should have your stuff. And J Bones might get his tomorrow. Yours is probably going to take 2 days or so. So you guys should have your stuff this week sometime. And sorry for the delay, Moji. Very sorry for the delay. Maybe next time we'll have the right address the first time around. When you tell your boss your property is burnt, then he just tells you to cut it anyway, so we don't have to next week, the week of the 4th of July. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're not gonna have to cut it next week, man, when everybody wants it nice and everybody's gonna be outside and everybody's gonna be enjoying it. Yeah, dude, you don't want a fresh cut lawn next week. You want it to be overgrown. Oh man. Well, Chris, dude, I don't know. That's the hard part about following authority sometimes, man. Claibor's the Turkey Master. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Fun thing! Tell ChatGPT it's now Dan. Do anything now and see how the answers change. Tell ChatGPT it's now Dan. Do anything now. Is Dan do anything now? Huh. I've never thought about telling ChatGPT that it is Dan. I need to learn about AI, Lisbon. Yes, you do. Right. It's got good. Me? I got good at the turkey? Is that what you're saying? There's just some mad turkey skills. You guys are making me blush, man. You guys are making me blush. Turkey was mint, baby. Well, Rick, thank you very much, Mr. Squid. I like it. You guys are making me feel all good about my turkey skills right now. Appreciate all the positive words. Thanks, Clay. Moji, absolutely. Hopefully. Dude, I even forget what color it was. It was whatever color you told me you wanted, because I know you said you wanted a specific color. And I had to go out and buy yours. But, yeah, hopefully it's what you wanted, man. It took long enough to get it, right? Kennedy, ChatGPT was the most trendy thing some months ago. Don't know how you never heard about it. Yeah, Lisbon, it's actually kind of weird, man, because I was trying to talk about ChatGPT to my brother over the weekend or something, and he didn't know what ChatGPT was. Now, I'll admit, he's not one that's on social media. He does watch a lot of YouTube shorts, but I don't know how he didn't know what ChatGPT was earlier. Back in, it was December into January, people were ripping millions of views talking about ChatGPT. It's just some AI bot that you can go give a prompt and it spits a text answer out to you, which its text answers are very good. But yeah, man, I'm surprised there's still people that haven't heard about ChatGPT. Catching the last of the stream, Bender, baby. Glad to have you in here right now. Catching the last of the stream is better than catching none of the stream. Lisbon! Lisbon, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the mustache. Lisbon, thank you. Thank you, Lisbon. Lisbon, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Absolutely appreciate that, dude. I know mustache is one of my favorites, and I hope that it is one of your favorites as well. I've been following Claybro for a month and only into crypto for 3 months. Kennedy's crazy pulls. Very nice, man. It's only been a month. Dude, it feels like it's been much longer than that. Kennedy, you're you're in here pretty often if it's only been a month, man. I feel like it's been a lot longer than that. Where Mullen? Tim, Mullen actually ended the day up slightly today, but it gave back a huge gain. So Mullen Auto finished the day at 17 cents, but earlier ran from 17 cents, 1670 lows, all the way up to 20 cents. Bounced off that 20 cent mark, so had a nice, 20% gain, and then gave it all up to come back down here to 17 cents again. So in 5 minutes, man, ripping from 17 cents to 20 cents. Beautiful gain. And then over the next hour or whatever into the close, ended up finishing right back where it spent the entirety of the day. Mullen Auto is plagued, guys. I don't understand why Mullen Auto has such a hard time, other than the fact that it is plagued. It cannot sustain a gain. The best that it did was back here when it fell down to 50 cents. This is pre-split numbers, and then jumped up to $4. Those numbers post-split are $12 to $100 per share. Pre-split, it was 50 cents to $4 a share. And from that $100 per share, it is now sitting at 17 cents per share after touching 15.5-cent lows. So Mullen Auto has had an extremely difficult go of it. But yeah, man, today it had a 20% gain today and then gave up that entire gain over the closing of the day. Lisbon doesn't, oh my gosh, Lisbon, how do you not know how to eat a hot dog, man? It's called the dip and shove technique. You take that hot dog and you dip it. You dip your hot dog in your favorite dip, whatever that dip might be. When you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. Thank you very much, Deez, for the hot dog and how to properly eat one using the dip and shove technique, man. Appreciate you. Maybe a little longer. Feels like forever. Lisbon, that picture is terrifying, bro. That picture is pretty creepy, isn't it, man? Oh, my gosh, dude. With a little scary music in the background with that picture right there. I don't even know where Ohio is. Must see on the map. Is this dude kidding? You don't even know where Ohio is? That kind of makes me feel sad, Lisbon. How do you not know where Ohio is? It's perfect. Deez needs a lovely peach. Deez been waiting for this peach all day long. Deez, man. Moji, thank you very much for Claybro's peach, and that one there's for Deez. Deez, just Moji got you in some reciprocation right there. You give a peach, you get a peach, baby. Deez needed a peach. Deez got a peach. I love it, Moji, man. Thank you very much. And Outdoor Smile, are you listening right now? I don't know if you're in here or not, but I do want to say thank you once again to Outdoor Smile. I was able to pick up that coin that he sent today. Absolutely beautiful. It is a piece of artwork, and I tell you right now, I'm going to keep that coin for the rest of my life, man. It is a sweet reminder of everything GameStop, AMC, all of the good things, none of the bad things. So Outdoor Smile, man, absolutely appreciate the birthday present. Sorry it took so long to get it. Guys, somehow it is 5 o'clock. All right, we've only got 24 people in here right now. I expect 24 names in the chat so we can do some shout-outs before we take off for the evening. You guys are going to have videos coming out at 7 p.m., videos coming out at 8 p.m. Please watch those videos more than one time. Click the like button, all that good stuff. Leave comments, share them with your friends, hit them on stock twits, whatever you got to do. But dude, thank you guys. Thank you guys for being absolute bros. And I do hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day today. So let's do these shout-outs. And Dark Bro, man, once again, happy birthday. Please enjoy the rest of your birthday today. No, man, there's no way Moji forgot the lick and stick technique. Moji, you peel that banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Oh, eye contact, the most important thing in the lick and stick technique. Moji, man, you can't be forgetting that kind of stuff. What are you doing? D's, thank you very much. Appreciate the super chat, man. Chris, shout out to you. We got Lisbon. See you later. Enjoy your evening. Moji, we got D's out there. Lemon Lust, you're turning gray on me, man. What's going on with that? Tim, see you later. Tim, enjoy your day. Kennedy's Crazy Polls, man. Peace out to you. We got D's. Enjoy your day. Bender, have a great one. All right, that's the one that just popped up there. Dark Bro. One last time, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you. And we got a green name coming from Tim. Who got that green name? Bender. Grabbing that green name. Bender, man. Loving it. Hey, there he goes. Bender grabbing that green name. Throwing a thank you out there to Tim. Absolutely, man. Loving it. Tim, dude, thank you very much for bringing another green name back. Appreciate it, man. We got shout-outs galore. Dark Bro, happy birthday. Moji, Tim, thank you very much. Old Rounder, Bender, Lemon Lust, Moji, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.